Check, there's leaking in engine, port side.
Okay, oiler. Report to the bridge and inform the master that there is engine failure at the port side main engine.
Bridge.
Okay.
There's an engine failure in port side, main engine.
Copy that. Proceed to the master station for further instruction.
Copy, master.
Copy that. Whether please proceed to the master station for mastering and further instruction. Attention all crew. This is your captain speaking. We have an engine failure on board. Please proceed to the master station for mastering and further instruction.
Security. This is LCTSA Norman, call sign Delta Uniform Alpha 2165. In position, latitude 05 degrees 51 decimal 683 north, latitude 12 degrees 04 decimal 702 east. We have an engine failure. Once again, we have an engine failure. This is only a drill. Over and out.
Count off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the last number, sir. Proceed to the engine room and repair for the proceed. Okay, oiler, inform the bridge that the port side main engine is already fixed and ready for the ignition.
Bridge.
Okay.
The port side main engine is already fixed and ready to resume navigation.
Copy that. Please proceed to the master station for instruction.
Yeah, copy.
Count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last number, sir. Thank you for your cooperation and drill is over. Thank you.
Yes, sir.